Hi Ramu, good morning. Hi everyone, good morning. So can we start the session now? Quickly we'll finish up 30 minutes of session. So I don't want to go to any subject wise. Let's understand what is the Oracle Fusion, okay, who are eligible, okay, how this application will be, who can use it, which organization will use it, okay, right. So myself Bala, okay, thanks for joining everyone. So I'm having overall 12 plus years of experience, okay. So relevant experience, I'm having almost 8 years in Oracle Fusion Financials. Okay. So first we talk about give me 1 second. I'm opening one more sheet. Oracle Fusion Financials. Okay. And cloud-based ERP. Okay. Cloud-based ERP. So I hope everybody from Telugu state, most of the people, 4 people, am I correct? All 3 people, Pavan, Pratisha, Ramu.
Yes, I can speak Telugu.
All
Yes.
are Telugu, no? Mostly.
Yes.
Ramu, Pavan? Ramu,
Yeah.
are you there? Ramu. Okay, no problem. So what is the Oracle Fusion Financials and Cloud ERP based technology? Okay, everybody is aware of the Tally, okay, SAP, okay, QuickBooks. There are so many things. Okay, ERP applications. Okay, why we need to choose? మనము ఎందుకు Oracle Fusion Financials ఈ ERP టెక్నాలజీని మన కెరీర్ పరంగా ఎందుకు సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి అంటే మనము ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సింపుల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఈ ప్రొడక్ట్ వచ్చి 10 years అవుతుంది మనకి సింపుల్ గా దీస్ ప్రొడక్ట్ హ్యాస్ లాంచ్ 10 years బ్యాక్ ఓకే Oracle product is a number 1 product in the global wise, okay, and moreover these technology Oracle Fusion Financial Technology cloud based technology is a zero coding technology. So we are going to work as a function consultant. Which one? Functional consultant. Functional consultant, simple word, okay. And moreover, we are not going to write any codes, okay. An example, simple example, okay. Everybody is using your mobiles. We are all are using our mobiles. Am I right? Can you get response? So we are not using any coding, but we know how to use our mobile. And simple example, okay. I am not talking about the eligibility. Nowadays the education eligibility has been gone. If you observe any Google, YouTube, now trending people are like 6th class people, 7th class people. They are creating a wonders in the world, okay. AI features, everything they are creating it, okay. Now I'm not about talking about the any eligibility. It's about our degree, BTech. I'm not going that. If you are learning this skill, there are so many ways to you can get income source. There is a freelance, is there so many things. Okay, you can get it. So how are we using our mobiles on daily basis? Okay, we are not what we are talking. We are not going to write any code, but we are going to act as a work as a functional consultant. So our main work will be between client and organization. We will be playing a crucial role. Okay, మన రోల్ ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే క్రూషియల్ ఉంటుంది. క్లయింట్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఏముంటుంది, ఓకేనా. క్లయింట్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఏముంటుందో ఆ ఉన్నదానికి మనం ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా ఆ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ని అర్థం చేసుకొని ఆ అప్లికేషన్ని డెవలప్ చేయడం అంతే, ఓకేనా. సో మొబైల్ ఉంది, ఇప్పుడు మనకి మొబైల్లో సెట్టింగ్స్ ఉంటాయి. SIM1, SIM2, వైఫై, మొబైల్ యాప్స్, పర్మిషన్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఉంటుంది. అక్కడ ఏముంటుందంటే ఎనేబుల్, డిసేబుల్, అంతే, ఏముండదు. ఆఫ్, ఆన్, ఆ 2 ఆప్షన్ల మీద నీ మొబైల్ నడుస్తుంటుంది మ్యాక్సిమం. am I right? Can I get one? Simple things, nothing is there. What we'll do, just there is a checkbox. If you want to on your SIM, you will put on. If you want to off your SIM, you will put off. If you want to use your internet from the data, SIM 1 or SIM 2, you will select it. Okay. If you don't want to allow any third party application, you will restrict as a off. If you want to download any apps from the Play Store, you will allow it. Okay. Suppose if you want to block any one of your contact, you will block it. Okay. So these kind of things only you will do in our in our daily life in using our mobile. Am I right? Same example. This ERP application also same. So now tell me how easy this is. Is it like looking like very hard subject or hard course? Nothing. So very easy. Okay, very easy. Give me 1 second. There is one more. Okay. Now let's come to application wise. Okay. Let's come to application. Okay. ERP applications. Now let's take about this cloud ERP application. Why we are we choosing? Okay. What is this ERP application? What is this cloud based application? Okay. Example. So any organization, okay, who are maintaining. So if any organization is maintaining any startup company, any organization, if they are running any business, means they have to record their financial transactions. So monetary. So there is a money is coming and going out. Okay. Cash flow is there, incoming and outgoing. Okay. If it is small or big, there should be some application where they can track it, where they can store their data. Okay, like invoices, purchase orders, సేల్స్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఎక్కడ మనం స్టోర్ చేయొచ్చు అప్లికేషన్ లో మనకి సపరేట్ గా ఆ ఒక సాఫ్ట్వేర్ అవసరం లేదు. ఇది క్లౌడ్ బేస్డ్ యూఆర్ఎల్. ఓకే, నో అదర్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ రిక్వైర్డ్. Okay, it is fully URL based, cloud based. Means if you have internet, then you will get the from Oracle, you will get the URL link. Okay, instances, then you will start. So mostly earlier what with Tally, SAP, okay, any ERP application, we need to download a separate software application, then we try to work on that particular application. Okay, now what is the ERP application? Is a URL based, cloud based. So this is mostly like subscription based. 1 second. So subscription based, simple words. So everybody is aware of the OTT platform. Can I get response? OTT platforms, Amazon, AHA, Jio Hotstar, any platforms. Hello, am I audible? Can you give me answer, please?
Yeah, yes, you are audible. Yeah.
So you are aware of the these OTT platforms?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, right. If you are aware of that one, let's go back here. That is not there. 1 second. In simple word, I will tell you so that you can understand very straightforward. Okay. So this application also, Oracle, this Fusion application also, it is a subscription base. Means which subscription means based on the roles and privileges. Same thing, same word. Okay, privileges. Like example. Okay, example. This OTT application, I am putting here OTT application. OTT application. So now let's take about Amazon. Simple word, Amazon. Okay. Now this Amazon is having monthly plan, quarterly plan, okay, half yearly, yearly. Am I correct? Monthly plan. Okay, if you take this 199 for monthly plan, okay, how many devices can use? Okay, let's go with here. Okay, how many devices can be used? Same like quarterly. If I go with the 499, okay, how many devices can use? Here we can keep 2. Here we can keep 5. Half yearly, I am going with the 1200. Yearly, I am going with the 2400. Okay. How many devices can use? Here I am going with the 12 devices. Yearly wise, I am going with the 25. Okay. Same thing here applicable. Roles. Suppose in Oracle Fusion Financials, okay, mostly 100% there is a subscription base. Nothing is other than user and roles. Only 2 things. Okay. Suppose if you are purchasing or if you are taking a subscription on the Oracle, okay, so it is a subscription base. So in roles, what are the roles are available? Suppose admin role is there, okay, admin role. End user roles is there. Consultant role is there. Again, the consultant, which modules you need? Means we have application like this is a single platform. We are going with the only Amazon. Now, if you go to OTTs, how many OTTs we have? We have hundreds of OTTs we have, but we have selected only one OTT subscription for us. Okay. Our plan is to take only Amazon. Okay. Only Amazon. That too depends on your subscription. How you want to take? You want to take for yearly wise? You want to take for half yearly wise? How many devices can be used for this subscription? Okay. It is entirely planned one, subscription based. Same thing here also, Oracle Fusion also same. So if you take admin, okay, there is an admin, security console is there, okay. Just I'm giving an example. This demo covers like a overview of the subject, not like who can learn. That is a simple thing. Anybody can tell. See, if you go to my demo, there is already there. What I understood is we are covering only like eligibility, salary packages. This you can come on, you can talk anywhere. After our overview also you can talk. But what is the subject I want to bring out? Okay. So starting batch, suppose if you take this session, this will be on the first session. Okay. So now I want to tell you how easy this application, how you can adopt this application, how you can learn this application, okay, this course, okay, and what is the demand, how you can survive, okay, how easy this one, what ways this application is running, okay, simple terms and, okay, condition, rules, what are the rules are there, what are the users, how we can use it, okay, and moreover, we are going to application as well, so that you will understand, okay, what is the application, okay, now. So, as I spoke about that this ERP application, example I am telling, in India, there is a Sneha Chicken Center. Are you aware of that one, Sneha Chicken Center? Anybody? Do you know anybody heard about Sneha Chicken Center?
Yes, yes, Bala.
Yeah. So, Sneha Chicken Center is there. So,
Yeah, poultry
poultry-based,
organization.
okay. Now you think, now you tell me, is it a big company? Is it a small company? Out of 140 CR people in India, how many people does know? Only mostly few people. But that Sneha Chicken Center has adopted or taken the subscription of the Oracle Fusion Finance. They are using. Now you tell me what is this application? Now you go with the Apollo Hospital. Okay. They are also using this Oracle Fusion application. Okay. Now, why customers are moving from the existing application. Now we want to talk. This I'll come back to you. Okay. Why customers are moving to Oracle Fusion Financial product? What is the advantages? What are the features available? Why they are moving? That you need to understand first. Suppose if you are going to learn any course, suppose whether it is Oracle Fusion, okay, AWS, Python, machine learning, AI, whatever it may be, okay, you need to search for the what is the demand in the market after 20 years, okay, which course I can understand, which is my background, okay, education, will I eligible for that, will I learn that course and survive in the job. These are the simple things that you analyze and you start enrolling any course or any things you do, any business or whatever it is. Same thing, why customers are moving from the existing ERP to the Oracle Fusion application. Okay, let's start. This I'll come back to so that you will understand. Okay, and moreover, this financial. So now there is a word is calling like layoffs are coming, AI is coming. Okay, even if it is coming with the AI layoffs, when our jobs are going to disable, means suppose there are 50,000 layoffs are coming in X company. Okay, if you observe layoffs, okay, if you observe 50,000, if you observe out of 50,000, there could be 0% of functional. Functional people layoff will be 0 because who are these 50,000 people? Means they are the developers. If your organization is doing good, organization is doing well, it's okay. Okay. If organization is falling down, means the revenue is not there. Okay. The first self, it will be the impact will be on the developers. Suppose organization fully lost 100%. Then year comes. So now this X organization, okay, this X organization decided to close the organization, close the business, then we are there. If there is no organization, you are not there. If organization is there, you are there. Until organization, any company, okay, closes their business, if they are closing, if they're shutting their entire business, then only you will be out of the organization. Until unless, because if they are running small business, like large big business also, there should be functional guys. They're transactional. I told you no invoices. Okay, if they buy anything happens in the X organization, they have to record in the particular application. Okay, there could be functional side, there could be end user. Suppose end user, let's take an end user. If there are 100 people here, functional people will be 5. Okay, now so many automations are coming for the end in replacing the end user. Now AI came, automations, okay, like we are seeing that what is that called, the spreadsheets. So earlier we used to process manually invoices, okay, we used to do audit manually. Now entirely changed. Out of 100 people, they require only 5 people because they are loading, they are not entering any invoices, okay, manually. We have the Excel files, okay, where we can dump in that all those 1,000 or 2,000 invoices, and we can load in within fraction of 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Okay, out of 100 people, 9 people will be on there. Now we are functional people. Whether you do your business or not, there will be 5 people, one from finance, it is mandatory, one from technical, okay, one from OIC, okay, one from help desk or admin, IT, main IT, okay, one from like there are so many things, VBCS, okay, SCM, HCM. There are so many functional sites. You cannot go out from this one until unless this organization collapse, removes. So now you understand what could be our job role or our position if something goes wrong also. Okay, now come here. So in a simple way, I explain how our job will be. If we learn this course, how it will be. Moreover, why customers are moving. Simple example. Anybody using Android mobile? Anybody using Android mobiles? Is there anyone who is using Android mobile? Can you tell me, is there anyone who is using Android mobile? See, demo should be with the real time, the reality. It is not with the that I already prepared and I came. Nothing. Just I came here and I'm explaining. The demo, you should understand what is the reality of the application, how we can learn, how we can survive in the once you get opportunity. What are the application impacts? Everything that should be interlinked with the real time. That in a general words, if all are in Telugu people here, I can tell one word. Suppose రియల్ టైం అంటే రియాలిటీ అంటే మనం డైలీ చేసే యాక్టివిటీస్ ఉంటాయి. ఓ 10 యాక్టివిటీ ఉంటే అందులో ఒక 4 మన జాబ్ సంబంధించి ఉంటాయి. వాటి గురించి మాట్లాడితేనే నీకు ఏదైనా కోర్స్ అయినా, ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అయినా, ఏదైనా ఒక బిజినెస్ చేయాలన్నా రియల్ టైం ఎలా ఉన్నారు పీపుల్ బయట, వాటికి తగ్గట్టు నువ్వు ఎలా చేస్తావు. ఓకేనా? ఇవన్నీ ఇన్ రియల్లో అవుతున్నాయి. లే ఆఫ్స్ అవుతున్నాయి. ఓకేనా? ఫంక్షన్ పీపుల్ ఉంటున్నారు, టెక్నికల్ పీపుల్ వెళ్ళిపోతున్నారు. ఏఐ రీప్లేస్ ఎవరిని చేసింది? టెక్నికల్ కోడింగ్స్ వాళ్ళని ఎక్కువ రీప్లేస్ చేసింది. సో ఎందుకు మళ్ళీ ఈ ఒరాకిల్ అనే ప్రోడక్ట్ మనం తీసుకోవాలి? సింపుల్. నేను మొబైల్ గురించి అడిగాను. స్టిల్ యు ఆర్ నాట్ హ్యావింగ్ ఎనీ ఆన్సర్. Anybody using Android mobile? If you are using or not, just explain me or tell me. No, yes. Simple question, simple answer. Okay, no problem. Okay, if you are not able to answer, I don't, no issues. Okay, because everywhere the demo sessions which will be interaction session, not only demo. If you are not having interaction in demo level, how can we interact with the live sessions? How can we collaborate with the 6 months or 5 months? If you are enrolling in this course, if you are not answering in the demo session, how can we collaborate? I know people are shy. You are not known to me. Okay, and I am also known to me. Okay, suppose you should tell yes or no, at least simple things. Okay, how we can collaborate, how we can talk, whether it is language barrier, there is no language barrier, you can open up. Okay, this is an open forum. You can ask question. I can tell. If I don't know also, I'll come back to you and I'll explore and I'll tell you. I am that much open. Okay, now okay, no issues. So Android mobile you are using. I am using Android mobile. Okay, I am taking my example. Okay, Android mobile I am using. Now there is an iPhone. Okay, now tell me, simple language I will ask. Now tell me, what could be your dream to buy? Suppose if you are not using any mobile, okay, you are using your Android mobile, okay, since 10 years. Since 10 years, last 10 years, okay, what could be your dream? Your dream should be iPhone. If you are agree or not, as per mobile, I am experiencing this simple reality. Our dream should be iPhone. Don't know about the features, how to use that one. Don't know what is the benefits are available in the mobile iPhone mobile. But our dream is like iPhone. Am I correct? Anybody can say? Hello.
Yes, Wala.
Yeah, please. So why we are, our dream is like, why for the iPhone? Why? Now same example, come here, ERP application. Okay. Here, Oracle. Oracle Fusion. Okay. Example. So here I am using existing customers. Existing customers are using Tally, SAP, okay, QuickBooks, EBS, so many ERP applications. Why they are moving from here? Means if you go to Google, okay, search this Oracle Fusion, this Oracle product has introduced one of the best functions or best features, best advantages for the customers. Okay, Oracle. What they have done is, if you observe your iPhone, iPhone releases every year one addition. Like 16 came in 2025. Now 17 came. Am I right? I don't know exactly. 17 version came. Anybody? I don't know, but can you
Yes.
answer anybody?
Yes.
Okay.
It's iPhone
So
17.
how many people are using iPhone 17? Is there anyone are going to buy or already purchased using?
I'm using it.
Thank you so much, madam. Okay. So why we have chosen iPhone 17? Can I ask you if you are able to answer it?
Well, for the camera features.
Thank you, sir. Enough for that. I got it. Okay.
We added in new features.
Exactly. What we are getting is a version. See, every year they are releasing one version, higher version, like increasing the camera, okay,
Yes, upgraded.
camera quality, okay, and one more, storage. Am I right? I don't know exactly, but I'm telling you, you can correct me because I'm not that much familiar with the electronic things, okay? Is there anything that you want to add it?
Yes.
Features,
Yeah.
okay? Excellent. So let's take an example, same example. I don't know how many people are understanding my demo session. It is like interaction. You need to, after 1 year also, you need to remember my demo session. If you are joining, that is secondary. But if you attend another demo session in other anywhere, you should interact. Okay, this is why they are telling. Okay, this is compared to, okay, those example we got it there. Okay, you should understand at least. Okay, our dream is to purchase iPhone. Why we are moving every year? See, iPhone is made it that every year they will release one version with the features, main features. This all comes under features. Simple thing. Okay. Now, for every year they are releasing one feature, then you are getting ready for next year features, how that iPhone will be releasing. Now your dream will be purchasing that iPhone because there will be so many features added to that iPhone version that you want to buy. Simple thing, come to your ERP application. You can go and check. Now what happened? Oracle has introduced every 3 months, every quarterly based, every 3 months. If you go and check it, okay, quarterly wise, they are releasing the features every 3 months continuously. This is the beauty of the application, beauty of the Oracle product. Every 3 months, multiple functionalities, multiple features. That's where these customers are more and more demand they are getting. Customers are loving this application, and this application is a user-friendly application. It is not much that you have to go through this entire features like 1 year or 6 months, 3 months, KT session, nothing. Very, very simple way. If they are going to release these features, 100 features are available. How these 100 features are going to help the customers? Okay, every 3 months, okay, that ERP application releasing a functionalities or features, adding based on the customers feedback, based on the consultants. Now beauty is the Oracle, they're not simply releasing the features. Suppose if you go here, go to iPhone, how this iPhone is releasing the features? Anybody? Because this iPhone company, they will have the surveys, public surveys. Okay, if you observe, I have never used that iPhone, but as per me, they will take the feedback surveys. So suppose now you are using iPhone 17, you have also used iPhone 15. So now you give your feedback to your friends or someone. See, the camera which is an iPhone 17 is not much good compared to the iPhone 15. But there is one feature, storage feature is there, which is better compared to the iPhone 15. Now again, this feedback somewhere it will go to the iPhone company. Am I right? 100% it will go. Based on the public surveys, based on the feedback only, they will develop the features, they will include the features. Okay, simply. Now, where I don't know exactly where they log their ideas. Now, Oracle has introduced Idea Lab. I think how many people know, I don't know, but simple thing. Suppose as a consultant, suppose if you are working as a consultant, now simple example, okay? Just I want to take simple example. You got one idea. You got one idea which can be more useful existing process or functionality. Suppose there is a functionality. Go with the same our mobile settings. There are two things are there. Okay. If you observe, simple. I got it now. Strike it. Now you blocked. Suppose there is 100 contacts. Okay. Now you want to block one person. Okay. Whatever reason you blocked it from the contacts. Am I right? So again, you will go and block in where you want to block again. If you are using WhatsApp, again you have to go there and block. Am I right? If you are using Instagram, again you have to do something. If you are using any other application. So my idea is if I block a person from contacts, it should impact all other features, all other applications which I am using. So WhatsApp also, it has to interlink, it has to block all other functionalities. This is my idea. Whether it is good or bad, I don't know. But I got this idea, so I can log this idea into Oracle Lab. Control C. I'm going to log this idea here. Now Oracle will be reviewing all the ideas from the around the globe, not from the India, not from the US. Whatever they get any idea labs, okay, they will slowly review each and everything. If really, sorry guys, okay, if this idea is really impressed, okay, they will definitely reach out to you with your organization and they will build this idea to implement this idea in the upcoming features from the Oracle. Now think about this one. If you observe, if you are using your contacts, blocking a person, again you have to go to WhatsApp, again you got some other simple. That contact is in your mobile only, that app also in your mobile. Why can't you interlink it? Why you have to do multiple times blocking? Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? Anybody?
Yes, Bala.
So same thing, Oracle also has introduced this Oracle Lab. Okay, Oracle Lab, Idea Lab is there. Anybody can log that idea from the consultant and they will be reviewed and they will be improved. So now coming to here. Coming to our quarterly based patches. Every 3 months, they will release the features. Okay. And after some time, suppose what happens is they will release now we are using March 26A, we are using release. Okay. The version is 26A. They have started 26B. Okay. Already They have started working on the 26B version. What are the features are available? If you go and type in Google, you will find out what are the 26B features will be available. It is open to the public. Okay, these are the features are coming. Same like iPhone also, no? They will keep in Google. See, the camera version will be 200 MP. Okay, and yeah, Sudhakar, go ahead.
సార్ బేసికల్ గా ఇది ఏ టైంలో రిలీజ్ చేస్తారు సార్ ఇది ఈ ప్యాచెస్ ఇవన్నీ
Every
అంటే ఫస్ట్
quarter,
మంత్
every
quarter
quarter.
అంటే క్వార్టర్లీ అంటే ఫస్ట్ వీకా ఫస్ట్ మంతా లేకపోతే థర్డ్ మంత్ వస్తుంది సార్
It will comes on the first month only, sir. Mostly last week. First month, last week. It depends on.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్ దట్
And
విల్ బి ఆన్ ది
moreover, yeah.
వీక్ డేస్ సార్ వీకెండ్స్
Yes,
ఐఎమ్
yes,
సారీ
exactly.
వీకెండ్స్ హాలిడేస్ లో రిలీజ్ చేస్తారు కదా
Weekend,
వీకెండ్స్ లో
weekend, Saturday or Sunday. That has to be
yeah,
deployed.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So mostly this will happen in the Oracle side. Same thing like in iPhone also same, no? They will, if they are going to release iPhone 18 next year, they have already started one advertisement. See, next year iPhone 18 is coming with the 500 MP camera or AI features, so on. So they will start advertising. Means public are aware of what are the features are coming in the same Oracle also. Every quarterly they are releasing the patches. Means they're openly telling these are the functionalities, these are the features which we are going to introduce, we are going to add with the application. These will be if a customer, okay, if there are lakhs and customers, if 10 customers are want to use out of there are 100 functionalities released, okay, features. Okay, these 10 customers like out of 100, 10 they like, they will choose it. If they want, they will choose it. Okay, now who has to implement these 10 features? Anybody? If they see these 10 customers are ready to take these 10 features and they want to implement it, they want to configure it in existing projects. Who will they approach? Anybody? We only, no, consultant only. You are going to design it, no? They will reach out to the organization. Okay, we'll get the requirements. Then we will explore it. Okay, these are the 10 features, 10 functions, these 10 people, 10 customers need it. Then you are going to, as a consultant, you are going to configure it. You are going to explore it. You are going to configure that 10 features. Okay, you will explore more. You will provide the solution, whether it is working as expected for the client side. If everything is perfect, then you are going to configure in the development side or UAT side, whatever it may be. Okay, these are the simple way that I wanted to explain. Now coming back here. Okay, what are we going to learn? Okay, there are so many things that we can, anybody can eligible for this, who are eligible for this one. Okay, I can tell, so if you have time, I can go and tell. There is so much to tell it. Demo can't be completed within the 1 hour, 2 hours. We can talk so much. Learning is a different, okay? Talking about the product is a different. Are you agree? We can talk 24 hours about the product. Okay, if you want to talk about Virat Kohli, if you want to talk about Mahendra Singh Dhoni, okay, if you want to talk about Sachin Tendulkar, it can't be enough for 1 hour. Am I right? They are the successful person. You can go and talk. There are so many years they worked for our country. We can talk about what their achievements, how they played it. So many things you can, how their personality, how their behavior, everything it comes under. So we will go and talk. Same demo also, it cannot be finished in 1 hour. If you want to talk about this product, single product, you can talk. There are so multiple things we can talk about. Okay. Now, who are eligibility? Okay. Eligibility, anybody. Now, if you go to 2000, before 2019. Okay. Let's go back to 2019 back. Okay. Specifically, any organization used to, okay, if there is any opening for the financial, okay, they particularly see the BCom and MBA finance. Am I right? Any finance openings, whether it is a consultant or end user, the priority, the eligibility is to attend that interview for that position is BCom and MBA finance. Some organization will only take MBA finance. Some organization will take only BCom candidates. Earlier, before 2019 and before 2025. Are you agree with me? Are you there? Can I get response, please?
Yeah, yes.
Now what happened? Now scenario changed. The trend has been changed. Now I want to take this example with the film industry. I think everybody watches movies. Everybody watches movies.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. So if you compare with the film industry with our corporate, okay, our career, our corporate jobs. Now, if you observe in a film industry, it is an open platform because earlier they used to go with the producers, directors. They have to approach. They have to give the auditions, everything. Now, if you observe 2026 or 25, if you observe, what are we having now? In our hand, we are having our mobile, okay? And there is a Instagram, there is a YouTube. You can create your content. If you are a capable person, doing acting, okay, doing dance, okay, like singing a song, okay, whatever direction, whatever it may be, you have your product, okay, showcase your talent, okay, upload it, then it will take some time to reach the public. If they like it, then after few months or few days, you will be a celebrity. Is there anybody stopped you? No. Now same thing in corporate. Now example I tell you how people are crazy. Can I stop recording? Okay, no, I don't want to. So how people are crazy, how approach is towards the anything. If you observe in Instagram, there is a couple people who sing songs, who do that music. Anybody aware of that one? Anybody? No, I'm not getting an answer. Now, after 1 month, they have got the celebrity thing now. They are in Instagram, they are the influencers, celebrity. Just singing a song and giving a music with the mouth. Done. Nothing. They got that idea, they wanted to implement, that is a unique one. There is no one is there, the same kind of thing. Now everybody started, okay, started with the same thing, and they are also doing in Instagram. Okay. Same thing in corporate also. What they have done is they are not looking. Minimum is a graduation. They are looking for the skill. Earlier, it is the eligibility of the like education, like education, MBA, MCOM, MTech, BTech, okay, BCom, MBA Finance, CA, okay, CA semi-qualified, like semi-qualified, ICW, MCA, all those things are there. Okay. Now, example, what organization, what client, what companies are looking is they need one full-time graduation. What they require? Full-time graduation. That's enough. That word is enough. Okay. They require the skilled person who can understand the application, who can deliver the services as per the client, to understand the client requirements and able to deliver the requirement within the dates without any hurdles, any stops, any escalations. Now, example, we have completed our education like 18 years or 17 years. Let's take an example. Are we using any kind of thing in whatever we learned here? No. Entirely no. Nothing. Totally different. We are acting, we are completing our services. We are acting as a bridge between the client and companies. The expectations are simple. Whatever the client requires, you need to understand, you need to deliver. Your education qualification is second. Now, priority one is skill set. What is the first one? Skill set is the number one priority. Means everybody is eligible. Simple requirement is only full-time graduation. Simple thing. Okay. Anybody can do it. If you go and open your YouTube, okay, I'm not giving any motivation. If you go and open your YouTube, there is one person from US who doesn't have the hands and legs. Anybody watch that video? I think name I don't know. There is one person. Is one of the he achieved entirely without hands, without legs. He achieved everything in his life. Now think about why can't we? We have our graduation certificates. We have 18 years of experience in the education. Something we have learned it. Okay. Again, another experience like job experience, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years as a fresher also. We have everything. All the resources we are getting. Resources are available. What is important to get the skill set? Time investment, consistency, okay, 100% guidance to reach goal. Simple thing, only these four. If you are committed, if you are dedicated towards your goal, time investment is very, very important, crucial thing to get your skill set. Consistency. Suppose if I am learning, if I am enrolling in this course, the course is only stating 2 months. But do you think this course can be completed 2 months? No, because we learn what requirement is in the organization. Wow, companies are looking as per the real time subject. You will learn it. Consistency. Suppose I am practicing. Okay, I am discussing with my friend. Okay, once in a week. Not enough. Every day it should be consistency. 100% guidance. You are there, time investment, consistency. But you are not following the guidance, how to deliver the suppose. You prepared, okay, now you know that alphabets, there are A to Z. But you don't know how to tell that A to Z. You only know how to write it. But you should also know how to deliver it. But interviews are not with the written test. Interviews are with the oral. The communication, very important. So guidance, we'll give it. Goal. So for this, to reach your goal, we are there. Okay. It is very simple words, but it takes a lot of time to get it. Okay. Now, eligibility, full-time graduation. What are the class timings you will have? Okay. This is a simple thing I kept it, but it is not a fixed one. Okay. There is a 2 months course. Okay. Monday to Friday. Okay. Saturday, every Saturday assignments are available. Okay. Each module, whatever you will learn, suppose GL we started, there will be 1 week, whatever we learn, I will keep an simple assignment. You need to complete your assignment. Again, we will get, if everybody is completing, again, once we complete, then we'll have a review session on the particular assignment. Sunday, mock interview. 2 months is like to get an awareness of the application, to get awareness of the concepts. Basic plus advanced. Okay, 5 modules. Okay, what are those 5 modules? Okay, we'll go to back here. These are the 5 modules. Okay, first I'm going with the tables in the Oracle Fusion tables. What are the things, activities we are going to perform? AP, accounts payable. Okay, suppliers will be involving in that module, procurement side, invoices and payment. Okay, if you purchase, if any organization purchase anything, they'll get the invoice, they have to pay payments. These are things that will be available. There are so many activities we will perform under payables. And general ledger. What is a general ledger? So any organization, okay, any organization using this Fusion application, the general ledger is the core one, reporting purpose. How they want to track it. Suppose a simple example, we have 100 branches of T branches. Okay, there is like 100 branches you are having in India. Okay, how you can track your branch wise? Okay, suppose in Kukatpalli there is a 1 branch. How do you want to track your financial, okay, revenue or loss or liability, whatever it may be? How you can track it branch wise? So here it comes as a reporting. So general ledger is the only for simple thing, for reporting purpose only we'll use the general ledger. So this is a core module. Okay, any activities you perform, any subledger level, that has to come to the reporting or general ledger. It used to come to the general ledger final. Okay, now receivables, payables, organization will purchase anything. Okay, any services. If organization is taking any services from supplier, they will take the service and they will pay. Now customers, same organization will sell the products and whom they will sell for customers, and they will get the revenue. They will issue the receipts. Simple thing. Okay. Opposite. AP AR is the opposite. You learn AP much, then you will understand AR very easily. Now banks. Now cash, checks, whatever it may, organization is spending, organization receiving. Where they will receive that money, how it has to come. Banks only. For supplier, customer also, they will send the money from the banks only. For organization also, from going cash flow out or cash flow in. Okay. How they can, where they can, banks only. So banks will be in cash management. Assets. For any organization, there is a fixed assets and current assets. How they can maintain, where they can use, which model they can use it. So example, computers, okay, furniture, okay, machineries, okay, laptops, anything, where they can, which model they can store it, which model they can maintain the data, mean fixed assets. Okay, these are the 5 models, core models. We are going to focus on these models in the course. And moreover, how we can, there are 5 models. Okay, but what are the core models that we are going to? First, we learn GL, AP. AP is interlinked with the cash management as well. That's what I kept thought as cash management. If you observe anywhere, cash management is the least one, 5th one. After completing all the modules, you will go to 5th one. No, my training is like GL, AP, CM. Cash management interlinked with the AP. Suppose simple thing, if there is any check is issued, payment is completed, where it will reflect immediately cash management, not with the FA, not with the AR. So that's what simultaneously, once we are performing any transaction, once we start our AP, once we complete certain point of thing, then we'll slowly move to cash management. Then once we close these 3 modules, we'll jump to the AR. These are the 4 modules. If you are learning, if you are following my guidance, if you are following my sessions, the real-time sessions, okay, every concept, if you are learning any concept, I'm going to build as a real-time. How the client gets that requirement. If there is a simple one, okay, there is a requirement of fulfilling one task is there. From client prospecting, how we can get that idea, how client will think. Okay, there is one concept is a simple thing. User creation is there. Okay, that is there, everywhere is there. YouTube also there. Okay, that's okay. Everybody will create a user. To create a user, there is a simple thing. We need that IT security manager. Everybody knows. Okay, that's okay. You can create a user. Simple thing, anybody. But here in this training, to create user, anybody is it. But if something happens, suppose you are not able to log into the application, you created your user, password is correct, username is correct, but still you are not able to create. Then at this time, what usually students will do, again they will create it. Now what happened to this one which you created? You left it because there is a resource, free resource is available that you can create n number of. Now think about the real time. Can you go and create one more user without any permission? Think about the real time. Now you got one task. Okay, you created one user. Okay, but you are not able to log in. Okay, will you go and create one more user? That is tracked everywhere, no? In real time. You have to resolve that issue. Okay, what are the issues? Why you are not able to log in? What is the problem? As a consultant, you need to resolve that. You need to analyze that issue and resolve the issue as well. Not only analyzing, you need to resolve that one. The way of learning would be like this in the course. Okay, simple terminology. Okay, example, I can tell you to go to Goa. Okay, like flight, bus, car, cycle, walk, anywhere. These are the 5 or 6 options to go to any destination like Goa, Hyderabad, anywhere, any place. Okay, this can be said by everyone. Am I right? Can you tell me? Anybody can tell no? How to go to Goa? You can suggest like there is a flight, you can go, you can use. There is a bus, you can use. There is a car facility, you can use it. Bike is there, cycle is there, walk. Am I right or not? Can you tell me? Can you, anybody? If someone is asking how to go to Goa, how you will suggest? Can you please? I will close the session within the 10 minutes. Okay. Can you please? Simple example I want. Still not able to. Okay. So this one can be said by you or anybody. But if somebody asks me, I can tell. Suppose if you are going with a flight, okay, I'll tell. Have you taken any travel insurance? Priority one, very, very important. If you are traveling in the flight, very important. Okay. Do you know? Have you read the user manual while traveling? Something happens. Whom to reach? How to reach? These are the conditions. Then, if you are going with a car, do you aware of that? If the car gets struck, do you aware of that mechanic, simple mechanic, whom to contact? Okay, or how to repair that car? You have the extra fuel. Is the fuel is completed? Do you have that extra fuel? Are you carrying? You need to carry fuel. Okay, if car punctures, do you have extra tire? You have that everything. I will go and tell in learning stage. Very important. Straightforward. Anybody can tell. Free of. But when you get an issue, when you get a hurdle that has to be resolved, that guidance, that learning will be getting from this institute, from this course. Okay. Now these are the 5 modules. Will GL, AP, cash management, AR. These are the ones. Okay. Now, example that existing customers, what will go? There is a data migration or data conversion. Okay. Now you want to move from Android mobile to the iPhone. So your entire data you will convert to the iPhone. Am I right? Am I right or not? Hello? Are you there? Srikanth, Sudhakar, Pratisha, Pavan. Hello?
Yes.
Okay, simple. No? We will transfer our data from our Android to iPhone or iPhone 16 to iPhone 17. There is an option. So that is a master data. Okay. Now transaction data. This is a daily base. Master data is a supply data, customer data, banks data. Okay. These are the data we call as a supply, the one-time data, master data. Okay. What is the transaction data? Looks like every day, the real time, that end user which are performing activities, no? Journals in GL, invoice in AP, receipts in AR, bank transactions in cash management. These are daily activities. Those are transaction data. Okay. These are involved in the data migration time. Okay. 2 things we can use it. Legacy system. Okay. One time activity is called is this one. Master data. This is an ongoing activity. Ongoing activity. Okay. Every day. So there is a integrations as well. Ongoing integrations. Okay. These are things. These are the data. Next integration I told you here. Okay. How we can build? Suppose inbound integrations, outbound integrations. Okay. Inbound means coming from your, you want to keep your Android mobile same like that only. Okay. But you want to use your iPhone 17 as well. Okay. Now you want to use your Android mobile for the AP module. Okay. Whatever invoices are coming from to Fusion, that has to come from Android, like Android mobile. Okay. Invoices, journals, receipts. Okay. Outbound. Okay. From your banks, any data is coming to the Fusion application. That is a outbound integration. Inbound is a other system. Suppose from Android to iPhone, which is coming. So Fusion up now take that your iPhone is a Fusion application, Android is a third party, like other system. Okay. Here you can build an integration with the OIC. See, whatever data I perform, you're not using any Fusion application, but you purchase, you want to explore that application, you want to see your data in the Fusion application. After few days, after few months, you will start using full-fledged only Fusion application. So now simple logic, inbound integration. What you're using Android only, whatever data captures is there, the data has to be reflected in the iPhone 17 as well. For that, you will do integration. So you will explore the features in the Fusion application, how the dashboards are there, how that applications, how setups are there. You will explore it. Okay. Outbound means bank data. That whatever the transactions is coming from bank, the bank will submit a outbound integration. They will set up an integration which are coming from the bank that will be stored in the FTP server. Okay. Next, what are the projects will be available in the functional side, like in any project. Okay. Implementation project means scratch to end, means from Android to iPhone directly. Straightforward implementation project. Now, enhancements means iPhone 17 only you got it. So there are few features as we spoke about the Idea Lab. There are features which are releasing quarterly wise enhancement. Now customers are ready to opt that features. Now enhancements project will start. Already project is already implemented. They are using this Fusion application. Now Oracle has released the patches. Out of 100 functionalities, few customers, few organizations, okay, like those 10 features, they came up to you, they want to implement, they want to configure, then that start with the enhancement. Existing application, new functionalities are editing the modification or whatever it may be, calling as the modification of the same feature. Okay. Support is like project is implemented. Okay. Now end users are performing any activity. If they get any issue, suppose the end users are not able to create any invoice, end users are not able to create a journal, end users are not able to pull a report, end users are not able to log in, end users are not able to perform any PO invoices. Okay, any issues end users are facing, that is a support project. They will have separate tools, ServiceNow, Jira, DevOps. They will log a ticket, they will raise a ticket. The ticket should be assigned to you from your project, from your team lead. Then you will start your analysis and you will give the resolution. What is the what is the situation, what is the problem, you will resolve, you will guide that user to complete or to achieve that issue. Okay, that is a support project. You provide the support. Okay. Next one, go top. Now, anybody who want to learn these courses, everybody is eligible. Only full-time graduation. Important points. Suppose if you are already working in a non-IT, either like 5 years, 6 years, 10 years. So end users packages are very less. If you agree or not, it is very less and it is a fact. Okay. They can switch to Fusion IT side. How they can switch it? They have to learn this course. They have to explore it. As the carrying of the 10 years or 6 years experience, you have to be more and more real-time course you require, real-time subject you require. Okay, you require real-time. Simple example I will tell you. Okay, simple example. Anybody is playing the PUBG online games? Anybody? Straightforward question, simple question. Is there anybody who is playing PUBG or any car games, bike games? Anybody? Can I get answer? Simple answer I will tell you. Okay, no issue. Banwar is there? Anybody? No problem. So my kid is there who is 8 years. Okay, he is playing games like car games. Okay, bike games. Okay, that is the reality. Okay, he is playing in the app. Okay, do you think he will go and drive the real-time car? Anybody says that he can go and drive a car? He is perfect with the driving in the playing in the games, the car driving or bike driving. Do you think that kid will go and drive a real-time car? Yes or no? Simple, straightforward answer. Can you tell me, please? Anybody? I'm expecting an answer, please.
No.
Same like anybody can give the course. You can learn anywhere out of the box, whether it is YouTube, whether it is anywhere you can learn. Source is available. But what is lacking? Real time. Real time is one of the asset for you. If you get an opportunity, you cannot turn back again. If you get an opportunity without real time, okay, you have to search for the support. You have to depend from someone. These are things happening. So real time is very important. exactly what is happening in the real time. You know everything, but you never experience the real time. No, you will have that guilty, you will have that fear, you will have that fear. Every day you will face one fear. Small issue, suppose small ticket, if you get it, you have some fear. How to resolve that one? If you know answer the real time experience, if issue is there, how you can analysis, how you can resolve. There's a different version of your consultant. Okay, that's what I'm trying to get that real time. Okay, you can ask anybody, the existing students also, who already completed a course long back. Okay, again they joined. Why they joined? If you observe my Instagram also, there is no fake templates. Genuine feedback only I'll keep. Whether it is good or bad, I will take suggestion also. We'll work together. What is my motive? We will learn together, we'll grow together. For your goal, for my goal, is a teamwork, not an individual. Okay, simple thing. Non-IT people can move to IT. Okay, 100% non-coding. Best ERP technology in the world as of now. Around the globe, if you look out, which is the ERP application paying or having a high demand in the market, that is the Fusion application, Oracle Fusion application. Okay. Now Oracle is having already multiple products. Now what he made is all those will be decommissioning 2036. PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, these are already gone up. PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, EBS will be decommissioned with the 2036, which is an existing application, the old version. Okay. Multiple application, multiple ERP application that Oracle product is having already. Why Oracle Fusion he brought up is he has taken the in his own product the good functionalities. Suppose simple example, if I want to tell, each ERP application, okay, built by few people, different teams. Your thought process is different, my thought process is different. We have built an application. Suppose I like what you built in your application, your ERP. There is 5 modules we have: AP, AR, GL, cash management, FA. But I also have the same application. I also build same application, but I like your AP application. What are the configurations you have done? What are the features you have done? I like compared to my which I built. I like your. So here what Oracle has done, they have taken the best functionalities from each ERP application and they built this Oracle Fusion Financials. Okay, from procurement side there is a supply chain management. They have taken that entire functionalities from the PeopleSoft. Okay. For AP, they have taken JD Edwards. Okay. For General Ledger, they have taken from the EBS version. So they have built one new product from the existing application which are already available, and they have added the new features as well, new functionalities as well. And every 3 months they are releasing. If you compare, there is no other ERP application in the market in the world who are releasing every 3 months new with the new features, new functionalities. Nobody. You can check it. That is the beauty of the application. Okay. Now 100% non-coding, no impact of AI. Okay. No impact of AI. Okay. AI cannot do the functionality. So simple example. AI can give the example. If you want to construct a house, okay, AI can give the design. Can AI can build the house? Can you tell me, anybody? Hello? Anybody?
No.
AI can give the plan. That is only somewhat it is helping. Can AI build the home? Any construction? Do you think no? No, it is not possible. Just it is reducing some paperwork or some thought process. It is helping you. Same thing. Function side, it cannot replace that AI. AI cannot see, simple thing. AI cannot replace the humans. Simple. It can reduce the people. And out of 100, there might be end user says they will reduce the percent. But consultant types, like consultant jobs, it cannot be. No impact of AI. Anybody? Who is that? Okay. Okay. No layoffs, no fear of impact of AI.
Washing machine out of pipe.
Who is it? Can you go mute? Okay. Now, what is the package ranges we are having? Okay. If you go with the same
అటాచ్
package,
చేసుకోవచ్చు దానికి ఆల్రెడీ ఉన్నదానికి
can you go mute? Who is that one?
టేపా 5 minutes సేమ్ లేదు
Banu, can you go? Okay. So, what are the packages that in the current market? Okay. If you go to our salary packages, okay, IT side, okay, fresher side, you can see 4 LP to 5 LP. If you are holding a 3 years of experience, it will be like benchmark will be 9 LP. Any organization, any company with the startup or with the MNC. Now, 5 to 8 years, 16 LP is the benchmark. 28 LP. This 20 LP is not is possible. When it is possible, you are equipped with the efficient skill set. There are 5 modules which you can learn if you are exploring more and more in your once you join your any company. Okay, if you are exploring within the 1 year, you can go back from 16 to 28 LP. Suppose you will learn more other application, other modules as well. Suppose there is a lease account, there is a intercompany. Okay, there is an expense module. Okay, you can learn it, you can explore it while you are doing your job in a real-time consultant job. If you are starting, if you get an opportunity, within the 1 year, we will explore more and more modules, more and more learning. Then after 1 year, if you want to try, you can try. You can go towards this package. Okay. Now, 10 to 15 years of experience. Starting package will be 30 LP. So, this 30 LP is not for the senior consultant. It is a lead consultant. Okay. You need to lead that project. You need to lead that support project. You need to lead that implementation project. So, 30, if you are trying for lead consultant, then the skill set which is having with the senior consultant and lead consultant, you should have more than the senior consultant. You should have more, means hands-on experience. If you get any issue, suppose example, if there is a senior consultant who is not able to resolve, he will reach out to you. You need to help him. So immediately it is not possible. When it is possible, if you are going to this package, it is possible after 2 years or 1.5 years. Now you can ask me, see, there are few, I am seeing offer with the 52 LP, 40 LP. Show me the offer. Okay. Show me the proof. I can bet you there is nobody is getting that much package. Okay. You can create n number of fakes. Nothing, you are not getting. Okay. There are people who are working with the same application with the 10 years, 15 years, they are not having the 50 LP. The last package which I am seeing with the more, as per my experience, I am seeing 45 LP. Many people I have interacted. Okay. These are the packages. For non-IT people, you know, out of 10 to 15 years experience, they will have hold only 9 LPs. If they want to, suppose, if one person is falling from 5 to 8 years experience in the non-IT side, now you want to start this course and you want to complete, you want to shift from non-IT to IT, here his package will be 60 LP. If this person is continuing another 15 years also, his package will be only another 7 years or 8 years, you will mostly will reach to the 9 LP. Okay. Now this is from the course point. Okay. Now come back here. This is like modules we complete. Okay. Projects we completed. Okay. Now, how to get a job? So, course is there. Everything is available. Source is available. How to get a job? Upskilling every day. Okay. You need to explore every day. Not only this, only learning course. Course will help you. How much it will help? 60%. Upskilling every day means the communication. Okay. Whatever you learn, you need to communicate with someone, your friend. You need to communicate with your friend means the person who is working with a real time as a consultant with the same application, the person who is already enrolled in the course, maybe previous batch, okay, old batches, who aware of this course, okay, or the person who is in the same batch. You need to communicate with the same subject. Otherwise, we have one friend who is not aware of this subject. If you tell 100 things, you will say super mama, super friend, everything you will say, you will get so much appreciation. But do you think he doesn't know anything? Nothing he knows, but he is appreciating your efforts. then we also feel that, okay, I am in the right path. Okay, I know everything. I'm practicing everything. I'm perfect. But if you attend an interview, you're failing. Then we are blaming that person. See, I have given 100%. That interviewer not selected. No. The reality is we are somewhere lacking something in our skill set only. Maybe out of 10, you might be answered 8. You answered 8, but out of 8, there could be only 5 answers are proper way, 3 are in lacking. Are you getting my point? This is what happening in the interviews time. Okay. And moreover, one more good thing is I will be attending interviews frequently. Every 2 months or 1 month, I will be exploring an interview. Because I want to be a role model. I want to be a person who is attending an interviews, who is getting. With my experience, I will be attending an interviews. Interview will be like 1.5 hours for me. Whatever I face an interview, I will come back and I explore with you. See, these are the questions they are asked. Let's explore. This will help you in the upcoming interviews. Suppose if there is a person who is holding a 5 years, okay. Now I told one concept, so you explore it. You are perfect with the concept, okay. Now you got an opportunity interview to explain any support issue or any requirement. If you tell what we learned together, what we explored our concept, okay. So the concept which is relatable to the 15 years of experience, but you are having only 5 years. At that time, the interviewer, the skill set is very high compared to the expectation is already reached. The interviewer will be happy, impressed, and he might not be asking you hundreds of questions. If he want, he is ready with the 100 questions. Once you explain the explanation, the communication, if you are explore 100% direction, you are without straightforward. First of all, we should not give any straightforward answers. You should give an answer as a story. How we got that requirement, what involvement, what analysis, what, when, where, how, what are the struggles you face. Everything like a story you need to tell in interview. Okay, that is the skill. Next, commitment towards your goal. Okay, so if you are enrolling in the current batch, your goal should be, okay, your goal should be October 31st. Your goal should be October 31st. You should be in the IT field as an Oracle Fusion concept, whether it is as per your experience, consultant, okay, senior consultant, lead consultant. These are the 3 that you have to fix it. Okay, now I'm aiming for the senior consultant with the 6 years of experience. What could be my package? I want to aim for the 15 LP. Okay, I want to aim for, see, now I said October 31st. Now you came up, see, Bala, my aim is September 30th. September 30, have few commitments, few things I need to close up. So I want to be September. I'm very happy. Okay, keep it 1 more month early only. Then let's start our journey and work towards your goal. Okay, that one. Next, hard work, commitment towards your goal. Hard work is the best way to reach your goal. Okay, and consistency. Every day you should do consistency. Okay, some people, what people will do, hard work is there. Consistency they will miss it. Suppose now this week there are 7 days. What people will, there are working people, working employees, non-working employees. For both the people I am telling, hard work is there. Okay. Now there is a person who did not practice, who did not explore the subject, the concept, who did not attend the session at 6 days. 7th day he came. Okay, Sunday he came. He completed the 6 days classes in a single day, watching the recording sessions, okay, and completed the assignment, okay, and he attended 7th day. Do you think that this person has completed the 6th session with the full-fledged? Do you think that this person is having that enough knowledge with the concepts? No. For namesake, he completed that 6 sessions. For namesake, that he wanted to complete. He wanted to know what are the concepts. Simple. But in reality, he doesn't practice. In reality, he doesn't explore. In reality, it doesn't explain to anyone, it doesn't communicate to anyone. But what is there? The seventh day I practiced, I completed a hard work. 24 hours I will sit and I will complete. Do you think if you sit 24 hours, so nothing you will learn, just you will complete that thing. You will randomly, you will know. Suppose if there is a movie, after if you are not watching, but your friends told you, say this is a concept, this is, then you feel that you already watched a movie. But in reality, you did not watch a movie. Just you got the story. There is no excitement. There is no real time that you watched a movie. Okay, simple thing. Okay, now instance will be given, free instance. If you are enrolling, there is a free instance. Okay, that will become like 10 days or 15 days. It will be refreshed. There is no extra fees for the instance. It will be available. This instance will be given to you till you get a job. Okay, once you get a job, if you want to install, again we will give you free of cost. There is no like if you are not once you get a job, we are not going to give you. We will give you until unless our journey is there. We are going to get this free instance. Okay, and Zoom license Zoom version is available. Okay, license Zoom version is available. You can. There is a students discussion link is there. Anybody can learn. They can message in the group. They can see if there is anybody available. I want to discuss with you this concept. If you are ready, then they will get into Zoom. Okay, and moreover, here it comes the reality. So in the group I have seen there are two people who agreed to join the Zoom and discuss about the GL. Here it comes the reality. What I am doing is I am also joining and I am recording the session because I don't want to people to fix that whatever they are discussing, that is 100%. There might be few that A person is missing some concept, B person is agreeing with the A person, and again B person is only preparing for that. Okay, then there is a miscommunication. We will record the session. I will also review. If everything is perfect, I will only suggest, okay, you are in a right path, discuss, go with this flow. I will give that guidance. Okay, so that you will be aware of it, what is exactly. And moreover, I will suggest to communicate with the only English. Okay, communicate with the only English whenever you are. See, one of the good opportunity to improve your communication skills. Nobody is perfect. Until you start your journey, until you start only, then only you will come. Otherwise, you want to learn this course, you want to start your interviews, means you will be losing unnecessary opportunities. Okay, unnecessary opportunities. Now, go to preparation. I have this scheduled one. If you are liking or not liking, this is a reality which I suggest everyone. Okay, 120 days. I am asking 2 months for the course, 2 months for the exploring. Okay, if you are a working employees, minimum hours I am asking 3 hours Monday to Friday. At least with the attending 1.5 hour session. Okay, regularly 1 hour 1.5 hour session. Another 1.5 hour is at least exploring with the practice. Something you have to do. 3 hours. Saturday, Sunday, 6 hours minimum. Maximum 5 hours. 1.5 hour means session. Remaining 3.5 hours means completing again that session, making a note, and going into the application and practicing. This is for the working employees. Now, non-working employees, I kept 8 hours. Minimum 8 hours. Minimum 8 hours you need to be with the course. 1.5 hour course. Remaining 6.5 hours you need to complete the same recording session. You need to make notes. You need to practice multiple times. Practice screen observations. Okay, mandatory fields what are there. Make a notes, doubts, write in the notes. Okay, notepad, use the laptop notepad. Okay, and take one person who are non-working people, another person is there, if your friend, if your batch, whoever it may be, discuss together and do the conclude session that we are perfect with this concept. Now come up with me, Bala, we are ready. If you want to ask any question, I am ready with that question. You can ask me with this concept. Any question you can ask me. I am ready to answer you. I am expecting this kind of attitude with your course, with your learning. Then I will ask few questions. Then if I am satisfied with the out of 4 questions, if you are answering 4 answers, like not a straightforward answer, I want answers as a consultant, how the consultant will give that answers. Okay, if I am satisfied, I will tell you, please continue, please help another people. See what things you applied in your learning, in discussion. Please help our students. I request everyone, so that as a teamwork we can achieve. Individual, okay, you are working so much, but there are people who doesn't help people. God will help you. If you help other people, definitely one day you will get your family members, your kids, if you are married, your family members will get that blessing from God. Okay, help people if they are required. If you have that skill set, if you are that having that patience, help people. Try to help people. Okay. So, and moreover, instance I will give it. Okay. So we'll have the batch wise. Okay. Try will be given for everyone. Okay. January batch, these are the folders. I'll prepare it. Okay. If you observe assignments, assignment folder will be there. They have to attempt GLAP completed, cash management completed. Now, if you observe, go to client requirements. What are the client requirements? GL side 2, AP side 2, one completed. Another one I'm going to take sessions and I'll include here. And mock interview, that video will be available here. You can explore it.
The real-time topics.
Yeah, see, every concept only real time. Here, that is a different. 1 second. If you observe, give me 1 second. Not available. So these are the real time that we can explore it. Concept wise, when you are exploring the concept only, I'll mention. So we'll talk about real time. What is real time? Concept, you know, you're perfect with the concept. But that concept, how you configure it? As I told you, in the session only, while we are learning in the session only, I will tell that, see, this concept is a real time. Okay. Every concept is a real time. But how do you approach? How did you get that real time? Means there is a requirement. Okay. Support issues. Okay. And requirements. Okay. And like you want to do implementation. What type of implementation, what type of data you collected? Everything that will be spoken about in live session, not a separate thing that we will go and see what things happen. Is who is asking that? Srikanth, you only ask that one. Srikanth, you are the
Myself.
one, you ask that one.
My-
Sudhakar. Okay, nobody. So what happens is in real time, we think that real time is a separate training. Like after completing all the 5 modules, then we start real time. No, that is not like from day 1 only we'll start the real time. If you have, you can ask anybody also. There is one concept. Give me 1 second. So this is the second one, third one. Okay. If you observe, if I am keeping real time in the first instance only, then you think about it. I told you, no, creating user is a simple thing, but what are the steps you need? You are not able to log in. What could be the reason? That's what I have mentioned it here. We'll explore it. Our learning process is a straightforward as well as a reversal learning process. Anybody knows the reversal learning process? Anybody? Do you know what is the reversal processing? Anybody? Can you answer? Anybody? If you know, okay. If you doesn't know, then okay. Anybody heard about reversal processing?
Yes, sir. General reverse. Manual.
No. Reversal processing, reversal learning. So
No.
straightforward learning is there. Course is there. Okay. Requirement is there. Okay. What I am doing is reversal learning means you will explore the functionalities. If there is inbuilt enable option is there, okay, then you are not going to touch. Okay, simply you are not going to achieve. So, at the time, what we are going to do is in our live session, we are going to disable that functionality and see what is the impact, where it is impacting exactly, which application it is impacting. That kind of reversal learning we are doing here. That I am very much familiar with the reversal learning. Straightforward learning is everywhere is there. Everybody can do. Out of 100, 99 people can do straightforward. But reversal learning can give you more exposure on the thought process and how to configure, how to understand the client requirement, how to understand the application, how it is data flow, where it is impacting exactly. You will understand by the reversal learning. There is a vice versa learning, we call it, but I call it as a reversal learning. Okay, got it? So these kind of things are there. There is much is there. So there is a interview. One second, resume is there. Okay, and moreover, there is no hidings and documents also we are preparing from our institute only. We are preparing. I have not placed as of now. There are so many things are there. These are from outside. Wherever I get it, I include here. Anybody is interested, you can learn. There are few few from out also. If you are interested, if you want to learn one concept, you can open this concept. This one, you can go it. There is no, we are not stealing from anyone. Free of source, just kept it here. I collected and kept it here. Okay. We should thank these people who prepared one. But what we are going to keep is our documents also. I am going to place it. What from our institute, Cloud Finance Guru Institute, each module, basic, advanced, okay, support issues, client requirements, how implementation project, all those things, assignments, okay, mock interviews, everything will be placed in the folder. Demos, if you want to watch demos, any, if you are enrolling, you will have access for the January batch, February batch, March batch. If you are enrolling for the April, you will have access for the all folders, all batches. It's up to you how you want to learn. There is no odd stuff. You want to come, suppose, simple example. There is a person who already attended few classes somewhere. Again, he joined here. So you are free bird. You can learn from anything. January batch, February batch. You know the concept, but you are searching for the real time. Explore it. Talk to me. See, Bala, I'm already aware of this concept, but there is missing something real time. I wanted to learn from you. Then you can ask me. I will get you. Go to this folder. Go to this video. You will find the real time. Each module, each document, whenever you are free, you can ping me. Send otherwise, see Bala, I want to hear a live concept or live real-time concept with this concept. Are you able to explain me? If I am aware of the concept, then I will tell you, let's give some time. Everybody will tell if everybody is important, then we'll record the session as well as a real time. Okay, that's what I am doing as of now. It will be same thing for any batch. Okay, this is like Drive and Zoom version will be there. 1 second. So scheduling. Okay, folder wise also will give real time. Everything will mention it slowly. Excel wise also, this Excel also will present it. Okay, all things will going to explore it. It is not in a one-day process. There is a process called. There should anything you want to achieve, anything you want to do, there is a process. The process we need to follow. Shortcuts, it cannot work out. Okay, if there is a 6 months of process, 4 months of process, schedule a timetable. Okay, follow whatever it may be. See, I am open. If you are a higher experience, suppose if you are holding a 20 years of experience, okay, but somewhere opportunity you are not getting, I am very happy to learn from you. You can ask anyone. Existing batch, there is a February batch, January batch. We have a qualified CA professional, okay, who already working in the MNCs. Okay, we have a people from the US, we have people from UK. Okay, I am very happy because I learn from them. Okay, I am perfect with the one concept or one subject. There are multiple things in the world around me that I can learn. So I am open to learning as well. If you are good, then I will ask, see, Pawan, can you help me with that one? Okay. If you want documents, there is a document as well. Give me 1 second. I don't know. 1 second. Give me 1 second. Uh, One second. I stopped my WhatsApp. Give me 1 second. I'll open one document as well. Give me 1 second. I'm opening one GL document which we prepared recently. So that it is very easy to practice, very easy to go through the document. Step by step, we have included. I'm sharing my screen. Are you able to see? Okay, this is a document, GL document. Okay. Simple thing we are doing, the screenshots. Okay, how you can approach it, how you can practice. Okay. These are basic ones. Advanced also there, support also there, requirements also there. Okay, one more thing just I wanted to show you. I am preparing as of now. Implementation project, just I wanted to show you here. What are the phases we'll have? One document I am preparing. These are the 6 stages in the implementation project. Analyze and prepare, plan and design, configure and build, validate and test, transition and go live, post-production hypercare phase. I am preparing such a document. It is very high-level document that I am preparing. As per your, if you are attending an interview, if you are telling you have involved any implementation project, that you can tell at least 10 minutes. If there is a time permit, you can tell 10 minutes. So the time is very limit. The CRISP also, I am trying to prepare a document, trying to load in the drive as well. And moreover, my request is not to share with the friends. First you get your job, first you succeed, then you can give to anyone. Okay, these kind of things I am doing. Okay, thanks everyone. Okay, if you have any question, reach out to me. So there is a number 9059161853. You can WhatsApp me. Okay, anytime you can call me. Okay, but thank you so much. Okay, have a great day. Any question, we can connect individually as well. Okay, let me know if you have anything. The session timings as per your requirement only, I will take it, not as per my convenience. Okay, the course trainings, that fixed hours is not available. Okay, as per the students only, I'll go with. Okay, thanks everyone. Thank you so